Over the past 3 months, I've watched hundreds of videos about account growing from $10. And do you know what's annoying me the most? All these bloggers kept showing successful attempts, but they kept silence about the 20 deposit they burned beforehand. I remember how I felt a years ago in this myself. I saw a guru turning $10 into $800. Turns out the guy just didn't show the failed duplicate. Today, I decided to settle this once and for all. I took my honestly earning $10, started recording without the right to retakes, and promised myself that I will apply whatever happened. No duplicates, no let's try, no magic edits where losing thread disappear in the snap. One attempt, one result, total transparency from the very first click to the last. Fair running right away. The chances of success with that amount are about the same as a regular lottery ticket. Statistically possible, but very unlikely in reality. With $10, I have at most 10 tries at a minimum bet. And if even 2 in a row losses, the game is practically over. But that's exactly what today's experiment will be, as honest as possible. You will either see genuine magic from smart trading or get a sober understanding of why most such attempts end up with zero balance after just 5 minutes. Let's trade a little, see how it's works. We'll start with $10 and try to minimize it. Let's pick an interesting currency pair right away. Basically, we can stop at those that appear above. So from the setting, we won't add any line. We'll set the time frame to 1 minute, the chart type to the candlestick, and from the indicators, we'll only need the fractal. Here we set the default setting and replace the RSI period with 15. So let's hide it here. And we can see how it generally looks. So with the RSI, we see the direction is my goal. Let's immediately set it to $10 and open the trade for a decrease for 5 seconds. Since we have a good trend movement on the downward trajectory, basically we have our first plus. Wonderful, we have it. Alright, let's continue. Let's take $19. So what do we see here? Good movement, a good entry point. Let's try to make the most of it now. The market situation really allows us to do this. We are currently observing a strong potential upward trend, so let's go back to 5 seconds. We open a trade for an increase and wait for it to finish. So we have another trade in plus. Now the balance is $36. So let's change this right away. Let's wait for the end of this upward trajectory, as further action may raise questions. Overall, the growth is strong so far and continue. But now we'll try to catch it on the pullback. Yes, we didn't quite make it with the entry point. Don't rush to skip this video. I understand that many things I explained might sound unclear. That's normal. When I started trading a couple years ago, my brain was exploding from all these strategies, divergences, and all technical analysis. But now you have a choice. Either you go through the same path I did and learn how to trade while burning through your deposit in the earlier stage, or start trading using AI that provides you ready and tested signals and will help you earn, even this is literally your first day in trading. Together, my team and I have developed this unique software and have put into it my experiences multiplied by AI capabilities. This is an application that monitors and analyzes the charts 24/7 and gives you signals with 72% accuracy. All you need to do is enter the trade at the right time and make profit. You want to know how it works? Subscribe to my Telegram channel via the link in the descriptions and DM me there, and I will explain you how to use and set up these applications. And most importantly, you will get this software completely free. So I'm waiting for you on Telegram. Follow the link in the descriptions and we continue. Price 4, 3, 2, 1. We open the trade, another plus, great. So what we do see here, our chart starts to grow abundantly, so we can assume that the growth will continue. And we open another trade for an increase So excellent, we already have $135. So we see a good upward trend. There is a very big potential growth. We see very good movement. We open a trade and fix the plus, already $253. Gradually now, another successful entry. We immediately open a trade for an increase. $473, just wonderful. Let's try to finish with a good trade. And further overall, we might have a pullback here. That's exactly what we are counting on. And yes, here it goes. Why did we open on the pullback right now? We have a new candle. We see it right here. We have 1 minute candles, a new candle, 2 very long candles, and the last ones. And there was no shadow at all. Absolutely neither above or below. That's exactly why we opened the trade here for a decrease, and we confidently fix it. Here, we'll simply open further on downward trend and fix the profit. That's how quickly we accelerated to 1,600. Great, awesome on one currency pair, literally with the help of 2 indicators and a clear, confident strategy, we have a great profit. Thanks for watching it to the end of this video. We'll see you on the next.